Alright, so for this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7. So to start, I'm going to first figure out the variable I'm finding. So my only variable in this equation is x, so that's obviously what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my actual solution. I'm going to start off by using the property of exponents that states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in this case, I have 7 to the power of x plus 8, and that's going to turn into 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 8. And now this is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7, which is equal to 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 7. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 7 to the power of 8 times 8 to the power of x. So then on my left-hand side, these two cancel out, and on my right-hand side, these two cancel out. And now I'm left with 7 to the power of x over 8 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 7 to the power of x over 8 to the power of x is going to equal 7 over 8 to the power of x, and this is equal to 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8 still, so nothing changes over there. And now from here, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log of 7 over 8 to the power of x is equal to log of 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now, the reason I took the log on both sides is because if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so it's going to equal b times log a. In this case, I have log 7 over 8 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 7 over 8 is equal to log of 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now, another property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So, I'm going to be using this property on log 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. So now I get x times log 7 over 8 is equal to log 8 to the power of 7 minus log 7 to the power of 8. Now I can use this property once again and move 7 to the front as well as 8 to the front. So now I get x times log 7 over 8 is equal to 7 times log 8 minus 8 times log 7. Now, obviously we want to isolate x, so to do that I have to get rid of this log 7 over 8 by dividing both sides by log 7 over 8. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 7 times log 8 minus 8 times log 7 over log 7 over 8. And remember, log 7 over 8, we can rewrite that as log of 7 minus log of 8. Now, all that's left to do is to actually plug in the exact values of both log 7 and log 8. So, log 7, this is equal to 0.8451. And log of 8, this is equal to 0.9031. So if I plug these values back in, I get x is equal to 7 times 0.9031 minus 8 times 0.8451. And I have this over log 7 minus log 8, which is just 0.8451 minus 0.9031. So, now from here, this simplifies to 7 times 0.9031 is equal to 6.3217. Now I have this minus 8 times 0.8451 is equal to 6.7608. And I have this over 0.8451 minus 0.9031 is equal to negative 0.058. Now I get negative 0.4391 over negative 0.058. And this is equal to 7.571. So this is my answer to this equation.